We're preparing to install an Amina speaker in the cypress that'll be at the soffit of the house. Again, this is 20-minute epoxy, so it gives us about 20 minutes to play with this. Home area of the speaker. As stated, we're sealing that outside seam with epoxy on all four sides of the speaker to seal it off completely. Go ahead.
Away we go.
All right, now we're removing the tape from around where we put the epoxy to seal it. We'll put a weight on it, let it set overnight. We'll test it again in the morning, and then we'll place the box over it, test it again, and then it'll be installed in the soffit.
We apply the caulk to hold the speaker to the board
Wait a minute.
in a uniform fashion. Seal it out.